Hello everyone! Welcome back to Travel Range with another quick video about Poland February Intake 2023. I have been asked multiple times in the comment section and in emails about universities and programs that are open for February intake. In this video, I will talk about one university that is open for February 2023 intakes. If you apply with all required documents, you will get your 100% guaranteed acceptance letter within 1 week. And then I will tell you a method of finding universities, programs, and their intakes so you can do it all by yourself. Before we start the video, a little reminder here. If you're watching for the first time, please consider subscribing to our channel to learn about more opportunities. Now, my friends, first of all, let me tell you, do not go for private or low-ranked universities, especially if you have a study gap or not very good grades in your previous studies, because it will indicate to the visa officer that you're not interested in your education. Instead, you're going to Poland for settlement. I hope you understand the point I'm trying to make here. Always search the ranking of the university you are applying to and prefer the public university to increase the chances of your visa. And this principle doesn't only apply to Poland. Instead, consider it a universal rule for study visa. Now here are the some best ranked universities in Poland. University of Warsaw, University of Gdańsk, University of Wrocław, Silesian University, Nicholas Copernicus University, Wrocław Medical University, Warsaw University of Technology, and so on and so forth. Now coming back to the topic, just type in Google, Warsaw University of Technology, then click on this official link of university. By the way, Warsaw University is a public university and very well ranked in global, European, and Poland ranking. Then go to admissions, and then on the right side of the navigation bar, click on graduate level. If you are applying for master's and undergraduate level, if you're applying for bachelor's. Let's click on graduate level. Then choose the English programs. And let's see what we find. Here, you can see all the master's programs offered. You can see all details like duration, fees, and their intakes as well. As I said in my previous university, not every university and every program is open in Feb intake. As you can see, some programs are open only in October, and some in October and February, both. But in my experience, bachelor's programs are commonly open only for October session. Not only Poland, but in most European universities. So keep in mind these rules. It will save you a lot of time. Now let me tell you a method of checking the intakes in every university, so you can't do it by yourself. Go on this given email address that you are watching on screen right now, and you can find this link in the description as well. Now scroll down on page and go to Study Finder. Here, select the area of your education. For instance, let's select Sciences. And in level of education, let's select Masters. Then choose English language programs from the menu and then click on Go. Here, you will see all universities and programs offered in English. At this point, you can find out which university is open for February intake. Now for a live demo purpose, let me go through this whole process. For example, if you want to enroll in master's program in automation and robotics in Silesian University of Technology, then right before this letterbox symbol, you will find a More button. If you hover your cursor on this More button, it will turn into red and become more obvious and readable. Then simply click on this button. It will open a new window of direct university page, like this, and in this new window, on top, You will see the red, clickable text of University Profile and Apply here. If you want to apply, you can click here, and it will take you to the application page. Anyways, if you scroll down, here you will find the full information about this program, like fees, duration, degree level, total credit score, and most importantly, application deadlines and course commencement date. So my friends, this is the only method to find out which university is open for Feb intake. As you can see, it hardly takes 1 minute to find out all the details about admissions, fees, intakes, and every single aspect of any course. And please remember those universal rules I talked about earlier in this video. Always public university, best ranked university, and bachelor's programs offered mostly in October of every year. And master can be offered in October and February both. If you find this information useful, please like this video and share it with your friends and family who want to study in Poland. Do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to watch more videos like this. If you have any questions, please write to me in the comment section or contact me at the given email address. I will be happy to respond to you. Till next, take good care of yourself and your family.